Okay, let's find the derivative of the inverse function. So if y equals the inverse of a function of x, f inverse x, then how do you find dy over dx? So to do this, we write this as f of y equals x, and now take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of the right hand side is obviously 1. Now what is the derivative of the left hand side? For this part we have to use the chain rule. So it is f prime of y times dy over dx. So this equals 1. Now we have found the derivative of the inverse function. It is 1 over f prime of y. But what is y? Well, y is f inverse of x. So the derivative of the inverse function is basically this guy, right?